normal day, when the water is at an appreciable level, the gates, as you can see, remain closed and the water is intact behind the walls. But when the levels increase and goes beyond 48 feet, according to what the experts tell us, the gates are opened and the water is let out to preserve the integrity of the dam. Over the past couple of days, 4 out of the 5 water gates at the Weija Dam site have been opened about 1 foot each to let out excess water. The Ghana Water Company Limited says the levels of water being recorded at the site now are usually noticed around the rainy season towards the end of April. But with the recent changes in the rainfall pattern, there is more rainwater from the source of the Weija River around the Etiwa Forest Range in Kufudia running through in Sawam to this location. And this, the officials say, has caused the levels to rise rapidly, especially since the weekend. NADMO officials present at the site said their officers are going around the communities to notify them of the imminent spillage of the dam and will offer whatever help is needed. The station manager at the Weija production site, Mr. Augustine Atibire, an engineer, tells GBC News that the Ghana Water Company Limited has plans to expand operations at the site to minimize the need to spill so much raw material by expanding its capacity to treat more water to supply the increasing demand by residents of Accra. But encroachment along the banks of the river and indiscriminate siting of buildings remain a major challenge.
Management is making all efforts to expand the treatment, to add more millions of gallons to what we are producing now. Encroachment is all over the place. Even lands that we have reserved for expansion, we are battling with the community and the elders.
The challenge is visible even from the banks of the river. All manner of activities are being carried out close to the dam. So far, none of the communities are flooded, but the officials say that could quickly change if the intake continues to increase at the current pace. A few meters from the site at Tetegu, one of the nearby communities that may be flooded if more water is spilled from the dam, it's business as usual, with little to hint at the possibility of a disaster looming. But they are not oblivious of the danger.
When it gets worse, our materials are destroyed, but we have nowhere else to go.
Some dredging works are ongoing, and that will help a lot.
From all indications on the ground, what has become an annual ritual for the Ghana Water Company Limited is also an annual headache for the communities downstream. And many say until a solution is found to expand the dam's capacity to store and treat more water, and solutions are found to the encroachment problem, the story is likely to remain the same until next year when we return to tell it all over again. Falmataki, GBC News.